Hello guys, welcome to this video. So in this video I will actually show you a very good extension that you must have in VS Code. It is called as indent. It is used for indentation, and it is applicable for every language which actually have some kind of function. Specifically, it is used for Python programs which is primarily a indentation language, but it can be used in JavaScript, JSON, HTML as well. So this is actually indent dash rainbow. Rainbow has multiple colors, that's why it is called as indent rainbow. And you can see each block, each function block is highlighted by a different color. So when we start this parentheses, so it is highlighted by a different color. So it makes it very much easy to recognize which code that you have written. So if you have a very large program like this, so it actually helps us in figuring out what is the indentation is there. So it makes the code readable, more readable. If a person is reading your code, it makes it really easy. And by default VS Code does offer some indentation, but that is not enough. That's why this uh, extension that I have used, you can see different colors are there, it is highlighted. So in a HTML file, you will see when you open a tag right here, UL tag, it is highlighted by this green color, so you can easily find out the indentation. So now it is closed right here. So this is actually the color which is highlighted. This is for the ally, this is for the navigation, so it is highlighted by this different color. Same goes for the Python code as well. If you see, for different languages, this is really useful for Python applications, because for Python indentation is really important. If you don't follow the indentation, you will get a compilation error. You will see this compilation error if you don't follow the indentation. So it makes it really easy if you have a very large Python program. So now to figuring out for indentation, this extension makes it really easy. So when you make any sort of mistake, this color combination will break and you will be able to figure out what you need to do by pressing the tab keyword to actually correct the indentation. So now the extension name is indent dash rainbow. So if you go to the extension tab, just search for this extension which is indent dash rainbow. Let me just uninstall this and install it once again. So 8.9 million downloads. So you can see it is used by uh, most people. So it's a very good plugin. And if I show you the default styling that VS Code gives you, you can see it is highlighted, but the it is not highlighted by any color. So the default indentation which comes with VS Code is not more than enough. It is not enough for you if you have a very large program. Same goes for, if you see, this is the HTML here. So now if I activate that extension, you will actually see the colors will change. So if I click the install button, so the you can see the extension has been globally enabled. Now if I open the Python file, you will see the indentation has in different colors for different block. So in this way, same goes for the JSON file as well. We'll see that for JSON file. So if you have a program which is a very long program, so this is for the HTML file. Same goes for the JavaScript as well. So you can just see this is the extension. So if you do like the color combination, then you can use it. It actually makes the indentation far more easier. So thank you very much for watching this video, and do check out my freemediatools.com website as well. So it contains thousands of free tools regarding audio, video and image. And I will be seeing you in the next video.